Do you want your old oxidized hood to go from this to this? That is amazing. Here's the before, here's the after. Yo guys, what's going on? Monday at 6 here, back to 2004 Ford Explorer. And today we're going to be doing some paint correction, mostly on the hood. You can tell it's all old and worn out and faded. This is what we have. First thing we're going to do, we're going to come over here, we're going to wash the whole truck. Make sure all the dirt, debris, contaminants is off the paint. So we got our Armor All Ultra Shine. Now we're come over here to our Turtle Wax. We got our rubbing compound, polishing compound, and then for the finalized ultimate paste wax. You're gonna need plenty of these applicator pads right here and microfiber towels. All right, hope you guys enjoy. We got her all washed up. Let's go ahead and dry her off. We got the Sport Trac all dry. Gonna come over here to the hood. This is where it is most oxidized right here. This is where it's gonna need the most paint correction. You can see the reflection right here. It's not that great. It's really oxidized. So let's go ahead and get this paint correction started. We're gonna put down some blue tape here so we can get a really good before and after. Go ahead and grab a clean applicator pad, and we're going to start to use our rubbing compound right here. This is going to cut through the oxidation. So we'll go ahead and we'll just apply it to this, and we'll start applying it to the clear coat. Just keep applying it in small circles. We'll get that oxidation off. Going to give it a minute to dry, and then we're going to clean it off with a microfiber towel. Just from the rubbing compound, just look at the difference. Now that we've cut through most of that oxidation, we're going to go ahead and apply the second coat here. We're going to do the polishing compound. Same as the rubbing compound, just apply it in really small circles. Make sure you press down hard so you can cut through it. Go ahead and just wipe all the wax off with this microfiber towel. Wiping off all that polishing compound. You can already see a massive difference between this. Look at that. Beautiful. Next, final coat's going to be this Meguiars Ultimate Paste Wax. Make sure every time that you're applying new wax that you use a clean applicator pad. So let's go ahead and put our final coat on. Alright. There it is right here. It's like a nice paste. It smells really good too. You'll love it. It smells like ice cream. Alright. Let's go ahead. Start applying that final coat. Make sure you get this one really good. Real small circles. This is really going to bring out the polish. This is really going to bring out the shine. Alright, let's go ahead and get that wax off. Here's the big side-by-side. What a difference. Polished up the rest of the sport track. So if you want to go ahead and restore your paint from oxidizing, go ahead and follow the steps in the video and you'll get great looking results. Sport Trac is looking good. 16-year-old paint never looked so good. Alright guys, Monday to 6 out.